First, we're going to set up our tripod to help ensure we get a nice, steady, focused shot. Next, we're going to set up our surface and our props. We're using rich browns and some chocolate tones to play up the lush coffee colour and get some tone-on-tone action, which will look great in our final asset. We're going to shoot from overhead and use the circular shapes of our props as a motif to line up all the video clips. Remember to shoot in sequence. I like to add a small tap at the end of every segment to give a bit of a visual jolt. Now, follow the same process by using the Align tool to line up your next shot and create seamless transitions. Remember to add a little tap to enhance the transitions. Once we have all our clips in there, we're going to review it and make sure everything is moving smoothly in our final asset. Now that the final video is complete, we're going to add some text overlays to finalise our video and get the messaging in. For second shot, we talked to Julius about creating 2 different versions of the same video. One with a message that says, delivered to your door from £10 to help support his online Bean subscription. So now we're going to add that in like this and save the video. Next, we're going to use the same video, but now we're going to change out the text to drive people to visit the shop in person. We're going to add the copy line, tackling homelessness, one brew at a time. Now open Monday to Saturday. Fantastic! You've made your reels that are going to capture attention, show off your brand, and most importantly, boost your business.